got this? You're going to stay in the water because it'll be a problem if we run out of water.
I know that.
Stay right and straight ahead. Green, boys. You want green on your left hand. Hold on. Watch the channel. There you got that guy there. Okay, stay to the right of the beam in front of you. Everybody can have a ride now. All you gotta do is watch. Alright, time to get over here. I gotta show her where she's going.